Hello guys, you have reached Top It Off with Ms. R and I'm Ms. R. And today I will be showing you how I made this beautiful tree for under $20. If you want to see how I did it, then just stay tuned. Alright, I am at Five Below and I am getting these Magnolia garlands. I'm getting like 4 packs. So guys, I'm going to get this basket because I believe this is what I am going to sit the plant in because it's tall enough to sit on the floor. Yeah, that's going to look nice. Alright guys, I am working on my tree. And one of the ways that I found that is the easiest way to achieve the look you want to achieve for your tree, do it this way. Open up your garland. Now, you can do all the drilling of the holes and stick each leaf into a hole if you want. That's fine. But you can also do it the easy way. And I would prefer the easy way. So as I was working on my tree, just better ways came to me on how to achieve the look. Now, the garland is going to come in a row like this, right? It's going to come in a row like this. The leaves is going to be pointing a certain way or whatever. So depending on how long you want your branch to be, you don't have to always use a branch that came with the tree. But if you want, you can. All right, guys, this is one of the branches that came with the tree. I wasn't sure if I wanted to break this branch off or not. So one of the ways that you can do your tree real easy and quick is this way. Okay. On your garland, you're going to have your vine. At the end of it, it's going to have a hoop. If you just wanted to hang up garland, we're going to cut through that. It's just paper that's holding it, right? We're going to cut through that. We're going to open that up. And if you want, you can take these off individually, or you can make it how long you want. Now, here is how long this branch is. So I think I am going to cut the garland to here if I want to keep that whole long branch there. Now, the good part about how I'm doing my tree that has saved me a lot of time, guys, look at this. You see this? What I like about my method is the fact that take the wire here and you can just take this branch and wrap it. Just wrap it around your stick. Wrap it around your stick. Everybody else is doing all of that, drilling holes and all this and that. And you can still do that if you want. But if you want to do it my way, which will make it quicker, it will make it easier, it will make it to whereas you can still turn this branch any way you want to turn it because now you have wire on it. Now, look at that. Look at that branch. Not only is it hanging free, it's still the branch, but now I can twist it and bend it anywhere I want to bend it. Guys, subscribe because this is how I do stuff, okay? So go out there, get you a tree, get you some branches. You ain't got to do all that drilling of the holes unless you want to add like extra branches like this or whatever. But this is the easiest tree to make out there. So you know I'm going to be making me a gang of them. Some for the inside of the house and some for the outside of the house. So I will be back once I finish styling my tree. And we're going to see how it looks. this is how my tree turned out. I love the way my tree turned out. Basically, it was for outside, but it looked so good, I could use it on the inside. But I have a tree on the inside already. So guys, you have reached Top It Off with Miss R. I'm Miss R. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell down below so you'll know when my next video is coming out. And until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, love one another, be kind to one another. And I'll talk to you later. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Bye.